Hey, it's Heidi Hawkins with Coldwell Banker Realty with your March 2026 real estate market update for DC and Central Maryland. As we move into the spring selling season, the housing market across DC and Central Maryland is showing something many buyers and sellers have been waiting for: balance. The ultra competitive pace of past years has cooled, inventory is slowly rebuilding, and buyers are taking a much more thoughtful approach. Homes are selling, but strategy, pricing, and presentation matter more than ever. Across the Bright MLS footprint, contract activity is mixed but stabilizing, with homes taking longer to go under contract compared to last year. Inventory is higher in many markets, which is giving buyers more choice and reducing the pressure to rush into decisions. At the same time, interest rates have been moderated compared to 2024 and 2025 highs, bringing more buyers back into the market, just not at such a frenzied level. What this means for you? Well, for buyers, it means more choices, less pressure to rush. Inspections and negotiations are back, and price reductions are increasingly common on longer listed homes. For sellers, it means proper pricing matters more than ever. Preparation and presentation are key. Overpricing leads to longer market times and concessions. The takeaway is that March 2026 is shaping to be a healthy strategic spring market as we go across DC and Central Maryland. It's no longer about reacting quickly. It's about making informed decisions with local guidance. Buyers and sellers who understand today's market conditions are finding success without chaos or extremes. Comment below with any questions about the real estate market.